So Lionel Messi, predictably, won a record 8th Ballon d'Or award. And the Maverick is flabbergasted that people are saying it was close between Messi and Erling Haaland and could have gone either way. Some even argue that Haaland should have won ahead of Messi. It's incredible that the Maverick, arguably Messi's biggest critic, before he finally came to the World Cup party in Qatar, something he should have done long ago and should have done at least 3 times before, perform like Messi and win the World Cup. Messi had 5 crucial goals and 3 critical assists, twice his other 4 World Cup numbers combined, while Haaland was not even at the World Cup. And in addition to lifting the World Cup and the Golden Ball titles, Messi scored 38 goals and had 25 assists to basically stack up with what Haaland did at the club level. Now tell me, which other human being or even alien from another planet could have won this Ballon d'Or ahead of Messi? Now maybe we could go through Messi's career and question some of his other awards, but not this one. Not this one, not this one, not this one.